Seol Inah is a South Korean actress. She was born on January 3, 1996 in South Korea. In 2021, Seol was confirmed to appear in the SBS drama Business Proposal, which premiered in February 2022. She is a versatile actress and has played a range of different kinds of roles. In 2020, Seol made a special appearance in the TV and drama Record of Youth. Later the same year, she played Jo Hwa-jin in historical drama Mr. Queen. Interestingly, she hasn't limited her work to a single genre and repeatedly experiments with her roles and characters. She played Kim Chang-ah in her second leading role in the weekend drama Beautiful Love, Wonderful Life, which ran from September 2019 to March 2020. Inah received the Excellence Award for Actress in a Serial Drama at the 2019 KBS Drama Awards for her role in the drama. Seol attended the Seoul Institute of the Arts where she majored in acting. In 2018, Seol took on her first lead role in Sunny Again Tomorrow, which earned her the Best New Actress Award at the 2018 KBS Drama Awards. Her second full variety show came soon after as a fixed cast member of Law of the Jungle in Mexico. She also played a supporting character in the drama Special Labor Inspector in 2019. She is the epitome of beauty and one of the few actresses who is full of astonishing abilities and talents who never steps back in experimenting with her unique roles. Seol made her acting debut in 2015, where she played a minor role in The Producers and Flowers of the Prison in 2016. In 2017, she worked in movie Eyes Closed. She first gained recognition for playing the supporting role in JTBC's drama A Strong Girl, Bong Soon and KBS2's drama School 2017. The gorgeous Korean actress has earned a lot of fame during her acting career. She also made her film debut in a web film titled Closed Eyes. She was also a host of MBC's Section TV from 2017 to 2019.